Hello, people. Does the background look familiar? Does this stroll look familiar? There's Krista dancing. But I am in Negril this weekend with Krista Franklin. Follow her on the gram. I was gonna say something else, but I can't say that part yet. I'll tell you off the air. But this weekend we're gonna be in Negril and we're gonna be doing some content creation all weekend, which is exciting. But I'm gonna be showing you guys a bunch of fun stuff to do around Negril this weekend, and I am excited about it. A lot of these places I'm going to be going for the first time, so that's fun. But I'll basically be documenting my experiences with these fun attractions around Negril. The first place we're gonna go is Lily's. If you watched my last vlog in Negril, you would have seen Lily's, but that's our first stop. Trying to get that good content. There's you, I was thinking. What are you getting? Burger? Say hi. You don't want to be in there?
Oh, I don't mind.
So we just came from Lily's. Miss Lily's. What did you think about Miss Lily's?
Food is good. My belly's full.
Yeah, the food is always good at Miss Lily's, honestly. The only thing is that the price point is a little up there, but the lunch menu isn't so bad in terms of prices. We spent, how much money did we spend? We spent $4,800 between both of us for 2 cheeseburgers and a bottle of water, like a big bottle, like a big bottle of water. But yeah, so we're gonna go to Chill Pops next. Yay! I have no space left, so we're gonna see how that goes. So yeah.
Welcome to Chill Pops. Let me give you the quick 411. So you have 3 options. You have your fruit base, your dairy base, fudge, ice cream on a stick, and then you have your alcoholic popsicles. So again, a cocktail on a stick. And then the whole philosophy is super easy. We don't use any chemicals, any additives, no bulk fillers, no enhancers, nothing artificial. Everything is done from the ground up, from zero. So with that being said, I would recommend. How are you feeling?
I don't know.
Well, you're on holiday, right?
Well, there's so many options.
Well, we're kind of out of 2 options right now. I'm almost out of watermelon, and I'm out of another one that's missing. But either way, so what's really nice, if you get the coconut for example, you can dip it in the chocolate warmer and you can put almonds on there. You can mix and match with the toppings. We do have 2 new flavors that we brought to market recently which are doing very well. We have a coffee now and a strawberry ice cream flavor. But the alcohol sells very, very well also. So we have a pina colada, which is, I think we're the only people in Jamaica that sell a pina colada this way. So it's not no syrup and ice blend up. From scratch, yeah, like a proper pina colada. And the same thing for even the rum punch, for example. All of the juices are cold pressed. So yo, it's a labor of love. A lot of time and effort goes into the products. So what are you gonna have?
What are you getting?
Whiskey sour.
You were looking for the mojito?
Only cash?
Yeah. 600.
600?
Can I get one of those, please?
Guys, I had a second flavor, the strawberry. Well, this is a strawberry flavor, but it have a kind of strawberry cheesecake vibe, which I love. So that's my favorite ice cream flavor. So I'm happy. I had 2 chili pops today. Guys, I'm back. So, first of all, we're late, but me and Krista and I are late, but right now we're on our way to the Tiki Beach Bar. I think that's the name. I don't want to butcher the name. I'm gonna put the name of the thing on the screen so you guys know what I'm talking about. Even though you guys see the boat in a second. But we're supposed to get there for 4:30. I don't know what time it is right now. But yeah. So we're rushing to go to the boat. It's gonna be just us on the boat. We were supposed to have a friend join us, but she was unable to make it. So yeah. That's our boat over there. That's our ride. That's our ride right there. That's our ride. I don't know where everywhere is gonna be. So what's your name? How are we feeling? The whole boat to ourselves? was so fun. Yeah, I haven't packed up my stuff yet.
Back!
That was so fun, guys. Back again, Crystal. This is our. How many times have we been here? How many times have we been here?
3 times already.
You're in there. Why are you running? Yes. Alright, stop. But you can't see this from the road, but you can see it from the water. Guys, we're touring Pirate Stop right now. It's open, but it's not completed. But it's a really cool spot in Negril. You guys can check it out if you guys visit. Hopefully in the next couple, well, I'm not sure if it's the next couple weeks or next couple months it will be done, but it definitely will be a vibe when it's done. So guys, as I say, it's not yet completed, but I really like the vibes here because it's going to be like a center bar right here. And then this part, even though you guys can't see it, if you know West End, you know that all the properties on West End are like literally on cliffs or by the water. So just imagine being able to see the sea from here. This is literally the sea right here. You can't see it on camera, but I just need to come to this place in daytime because it's definitely gonna have a really good view. So if you're visiting Negril in the next couple weeks, you should definitely visit this place in the daytime. It's definitely a vibe.